Hi friends, welcome to my channel Maths Academy by DG. Today we are going to continue the chapter in determinants. Okay, lecture number 19, exercise 4.5 is. Okay, so I have completed totally 18 classes here. Okay, for the only one chapter, that is determinant. Okay, so now in this class we can continue the exercise 4.5 question number 5. Means in the exercise 4.5 already completed up to fourth question. So see the question number 5. What we have to do here? Find the inverse of the matrix. Okay. Now the question number 5. Okay. So see here, whatever the matrix is given, first I am going to write here A is equal to 2 minus 2 4 3. Okay. Next, to find the inverse of the matrix here, first we have to check whether it is determinant giving not equal to 0 or not. Suppose the determinant is not equal to 0, then only inverse of that matrix is exist. Yes or no? So that's why I am going to write here determinant of A is equal to determinant 2 minus 2 4 3. We know that how to make the determinant for the 2 by 2 matrix. Just here make the cross multiply. 2 3 are 6 minus plus and minus minus, so minus and minus plus 4 2 are 8. Yes, now we got here what 14. After having this, now we have to find the adjoint, because of we know that the formula here A inverse formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint T. Yes, so now also we can write directly 1 by determinant of A is 14. We know that how to write the adjoint of a matrix. Suppose he is giving the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, yes, this is the 2 by 2 matrix C. Okay, so I am going to write in this adjoint of the matrix, just we have to interchange the places. Okay, so 3 2. After that we are going to change the sign for these two. Yes, now I am going to change the sign for this. There is a minus, we have to write plus 2, plus minus, that's all. So we got here A inverse. Now after that you have to complete the question number 6, because of again that is a 2 by 2. We will see the next question is 7th one. See the next question here. Question number 7 is having on the board. So for the given question, again I am going to write here matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 0 2 4 and 0 0 5. Yes, this is the matrix, given matrix. Okay, actually this is the 3 by 3 matrix. Yes or no? Just now we have completed inverse of a matrix whose order is 2 by 2. Yes, you will have to complete the question number 6 there. Now see the question number 7. I will complete question number 7, but you people have to complete the remaining question 8 9. Okay, because of again the remaining questions they are 3 by 3 order matrices. So see, again to complete the solution for this, first we have to find the determinant of this. Yes, we know that how to make the determinant. Just roughly I am writing here about plus, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, so by taking plus 1 into, we are right here, just we are going to close the orders of this one. Okay, then whatever the result we are observing here, we are making the cross multiplication of this. 2 into 5 is 10 minus 0 over. Next one is minus 2 into, I will write here, again close the orders of this one. So 0, see whatever the result, 0 4 0 4 0 5 means cross multiplication of this one is 0 minus 0. Yes, next one is final one plus 3 into, I will write this. Now again we are having the 0 or not, because of cross multiplication is 0 minus 0, means finally we got the result is here. So 10. Yes, this is 0, this one again 0. Means we will say here determinant of this is not equal to 0, means A inverse is exist. Now I will write here the adjoint of the matrix. So now I am taking here adjoint of a matrix. How will complete the adjoint of matrix? Suppose he is giving the order is 3 by 3. Yes, already I told in the previous class. Okay. So also suppose if you have not watched that video, so you have to observe it carefully. This is the matrix given. Okay, from this I am going to find the adjoint. So now how we have to complete, means there is one rule CRLC, means center right, center to the right, again left, after that again we have to take center. Okay, so now we have to start from the second row, not third row. Second row middle, center one is what, having 2, next one is what, right is 4. Again you have to see the center to left is 0, again the center one is 2. That's all. Means we are going to complete here one of the circle like that. Okay, so 2, now we are going to complete like this. This is one of the circle. Okay, next one is, now but we you people have to observe in this, whatever the row is there, I am writing that in a column. Okay, Now we are taking the second row in the third row. Again we have to see the center one. There means what? 5. Yes. Again we have to go in the left to the center one. Again center value. Completed. And similarly we have to see the first row. In the center one is having 2 and 3. Again we have to select the first one. Again we are coming here what? In the center. Okay. So this is a very easy one, and whatever the part we have completed here, then we have to write the whatever the first column is there in the last. Yes. Then we have to make just cross multiplication of this one. You will get the result of the adjoint. Cross multiplication of this one only you will write the adjoint. Now adjoint A is equal to, I will write C. I am going to write in this. We are making the cross multiplication of only this part. Okay. 2 into 5 is what? 10 minus 0. 4 into 0 is 0. 4 also you will write minus 0. Next one is see one more. See in between having the cross now, that's why you have to see only this value. 0 into 3 is 0 minus 5 into 2 is 10. Or again the last one we are going to check here cross one. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 3 to the 6. Yes. Again we have to come the second way. So 4 into 0 is 0. Next one is 0 into 5 is 0. Or next one is again C. So 5 into 1 is 5 minus 0. Next one 3 into 0 is 0 minus 4. After that in the last row, so the cross multiplication is 0. Again this one is also 0. Next 1 into 2 is 2 minus 0. Yes. Now the adjoint A is finally we got here 10 minus 10. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. Next one is 0. 5 again minus 4. Yes. 0 0 2. Okay, this is the adjoint A. This is a very easy way to find the adjoint A. Next see, we have to write the A inverse. Yes or no? Inverse of a matrix we are finding now. So we got the determinant of A and adjoint of A. Just we have to substitute in this. So I will write here see, inverse of a matrix is A inverse is equal to I will write here 1 by determinant of A into formula is adjoint A. Okay, so now 1 by determinant of A is what? What is the result of that? That is 10. Yes, I am going to write 10 into matrix. Adjoint of a matrix is having already. So I will write 10. Next one is minus 10. Next one is 2. Yes. Again I am going to write here 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. Just see. Whatever the determinant of A and adjoint of A is there, na, just I am going to substitute in this. You people also can do. Okay. So this is the solution. Suppose he is giving the 3 by 3 matrix. We will see the next question. See. So just now we have completed the question number 7. Yes. After that question number 8, 9, 10. Just we have to find the inverse of those related matrices. Okay. So we know that how to find the 3 by 3 and 2 by 2 matrices. Suppose he is going to ask the inverse of a matrix. Okay, so you people have to complete those questions. Okay, if you got the solution over that, you have to say in a comment box. Then so again see the question number 11 and whatever the 12 13 questions are there now. Again they are very simple questions. Okay, 12 and 13 already I have told the examples. Okay, so they are related to example 24 25 26. Okay, so once you have to go to the previous classes, you will be see the what are the questions are completed. So by observing those questions, definitely you will be do the question number 12 and 13. So now we will start the question number 14 here. This is the important question. For the matrix A is equal to whatever the matrix is given, just I will write that. So A is equal to matrix is given, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, find the numbers A and B. We have to find in this the number A and B. Okay, such that A square plus A into small a into capital A plus small b into I is equal to 0 matrix. Okay, so once again I am going to write here, say here what is there A square plus small a into capital A plus small b into I is equal to 0 matrix. Okay, so now we have to get A and B by using this equation, and after that by using this matrix only. So to get substitute this total addition in this means first we have to know that the A square matrix. So that's why I am going to find here A square. We know that how to find the A square, A into A. Yes. So that's why I am taking here A into A. A matrix is 3 2 1 1 Next again A matrix is 1, so I am going to write 1 1. Okay, so then see the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices, it is a very easy. So first row first column, first row second column. Yes, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 into 1 is 2 over. Again we have to take 3 2s are 6 plus 2 into 1 is 2 over. Next 1 into 3 is 3 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Again 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So we got finally here a square is equal to, so 9 plus 2 is 11. Next 8. After that 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, a square is completed now. So now we have to substitute a matrix and a square. So remember one thing, whatever the I we are observing this is nothing but identity matrix. Now we are taking here identity matrix whose order is 2 by 2. Because of a matrix is here 2 by 2 means we are taking identity matrix is 2 by 2. So once I will write this, a square plus small a into capital A plus b into I is equal to 0 matrix. We are substituting a matrix, a square 11 8 4 3. After that plus small a into whatever the matrix is there, a matrix. See that a matrix is 3 2 1 1 plus b into identity matrix is 1 0 0 1 is equal to 0 matrix. Yes, then we have to again continue here. So we are writing 11 into 11 8 4 3. Then multiply a inside a bracket. You will write here 3a 2a a, yes. Again multiply b inside the matrix, b 0 0 b is equal to 0 matrix. Also we can write 0 0 0 0. Yes. Next, so in between having the plus means we are adding these three matrices in the left hand side. Okay, so how we can add the matrices means just we are observing the corresponding places here. Yes, so that's why I am going to observe the corresponding places. 11 plus 3a plus b. Or next we are observing second element 8 plus 2a plus 0. No need to write 0. 4 plus a, or again having 0. Next 3 plus c. This is the a. Again the last one is what, b is equal to 0 matrix is there. After writing this, in between having the is equal to means these two matrices which is going to indicate here equal matrices. We know that suppose the two matrices are equal matrices, then the corresponding places we have to equate here. So see, just we have to get the value of a and value of b. So see 4 plus a is there now. This place we are going to equal with the corresponding to the right hand side. So that is, I will write here 4 plus a is equal to 0. Yes, 4 plus a is equal to 0. After that we will take this one. So one more value is 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now see, again I am writing here, by sending plus 4 on right hand side it will be minus 4. We got the value of a. Suppose we are sending value of b in this, we will get the value of b. 3 minus 4 plus b is equal to 0. So b, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Sending right hand side is plus 1. So we got the value of a and value of b. Okay, thank you.